Hi everyone, I'm Ateeb back again with another video. Today I'm at IHS Bhubaneswar campus, and today we'll be looking at all the facilities and infrastructure this institute has to offer to all the students who are looking at a gleaming and a very glorious career in undermined courses like audiology and physiotherapy. Today I am at IHS Bhubaneswar and we're talking about the experiences that some of the final year students have had throughout the program. So, what is your name and how has your experience been?
My name is Pritham, and my experience was really good. It was full of ups and downs, but all in all, it was really nice.
And how about you?
Hi, my name is Shama. I'm a final year student and my experience was really good.
So, Shama, how was the exposure throughout the BSLP course that you have experienced and attended?
We have a great exposure. We had multiples of conferences and outreach programs, camps and everything. So it was really good.
Right? Great. And what all facilities can we experience at IHS Bhubaneswar campus?
Facilities are there are a lot of facilities we have library. Teachers are really good. They are cooperative and supportive throughout the course, and multiple smart classrooms हैं and teachers भी बहुत अच्छे.
अच्छा प्रोफेसर होना मतलब हाउ इज इट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लाइक देयर आर सेल्फ स्टडीज ओके ये एक एस्पेक्ट हो गया कोर्स अटेंड करने का कॉलेज अटेंड करने का और प्रोफेसर्स का इम्पोर्टेंस प्रोफेसर्स का अवेलेबिलिटी कैसा हाउ इज इट रियली इम्पोर्टेंट लाइक प्रैक्टिकली
We had doubt classes and regular classes होते हैं 9 to 5.
ओके
And along with that हम लोग के postings होते हैं and हमको guide करने के लिए भी रहते हैं हमारे mentors and teachers.
So doubts were getting solved and your postings were really good, right? So could you tell me about a lot of postings?
Postings we have posted in different clinics of Bhubaneswar and Cuttack. So we went there and exposed a lot of patients and lot of different number of cases, and we learned so much from that.
So you were practically exposed from very initial years of your college, right? In the first or second year, you were sent to model center. I've heard.
Yes.
What is a
Model center is basically like for us it is speech setup.
Okay.
Mostly autistic and ADHD patients are there, and we have experienced that and we have learned a lot from that.
We are in front of the model center where students are posted. Okay, so we'll be knowing what goes inside it.
Okay, so inside the model center, there are children with disability and special need, and there are different professional who are specially trained to give therapy to the special child, like occupational therapist, speech therapist, and psychologist are inside of it.
Your indulgence in all of these activities?
So after the completion of 3 years, and we just have a internship of 10 months. So first 5 months we are posted to the model center, and for the rest 5 months we are posted outside.
All right.